children. This is Miss Carolyn. I'm sure you miss me by now. I miss you guys too. Maybe. Okay, this is your English for today and tomorrow. It's the same PowerPoint, but I'm just going to run it so that you will understand it better. Okay, ready to start? Why are you not starting? Hello? Oh, there you go. Okay, English. First, can I understand the main points of a text? Can I plan sentences? So, we're going to write a lot for this lesson. Yippee! All right, we're ready? Listen, read, understand, answer questions, and plan. Ooh, wonder what this plan is going to be. Okay, now this is a video about desert life. So you are going to click on this link on the PowerPoint like this, and the video will come up soon. Ta-da! So you will watch this video.
I love living in a place where I get to enjoy rainy weather because
on your
I love
own.
the smell of rain.
Okay?
And Squeaks likes jumping.
Watch the video, and then you can talk about the video with your sister or your brother or your mommy or your daddy. Okay? Now let's review words from the story that we read maybe 3 times in class. So there's a word desert, and there's a sand, cactus, parade. I wonder why this is here. Dune. Remember the dune? The little tiny mountains made out of sand. Hump on the camel's back, and falcon, and gazelle, the one that looks like a deer. Remember, they fight over territories, they fight over homes to protect their family. Okay, so we're going to read Too Hot to Stop one more time. You will listen to the story. Are you ready? It will play soon. Come on. Come on.
In the desert in the east, where the sand is so hot, Hoppet the gazelle likes to hop, hop, hop. Come and meet his friends in the desert sun. Hop along with Hoppet. The day has just begun. The sand cat sat by the cactus tree. Come on, sand cat, come with me. The camel is a mammal with a hump upon his back. Follow us, said the sand cat. Follow our track. What's the hurry, Hoppet? Asked the lizard in the shade. Come along, little lizard, join our parade. Won't you stop it, Hoppet? Said the fox on the rocks. It's too hot to stop, said Hoppet to the fox. Too hot to stop, said the camel and the cat. Too hot to stop, said the lizard at the back. Stop it, Hoppet, stop it, hissed the snake on a dune. If you're hopping up there, you'd better stop soon. Stop it, Hoppet, stop it, warned the falcon flying by. I can see where you're heading from high up in the sky. Hoppet hopped up the sand dune, so tall and so wide. When he got to the top, he hopped off the other side. Splash! A lake full of water, so deep and so cool. Hoppet splashed down into the desert pool. Sploosh came the camel, the lizard, snake and cat, the falcon and the fox with a splish, splosh, splat. At last, said Hoppet, this is where we stop it.
Okay, now, these are your choices. You can either read it one more time by yourself, Or you can write the whole story by yourself, or you can listen to the audio one more time on the PowerPoint. It is up to you, okay? Now, what you will need next, a notebook or a paper and something to write with, preferably pencil. We are going to write these questions down. Talking is overrated. We are going to write, okay? So, who is Hoppet and what does he look like? You will do is on the notebook or on the paper that you have, you will write the date, today's date, Tuesday, the 4th, February 2020. And then you will write the title on the top, Too Hot to Stop. Okay, and you will write the question. Number 1, who is Hoppet and what does he look like? The answer will be Hoppet is a gazelle and he looks like a deer. Okay? So you will have to do this to all the questions that's coming up. So for number 2, you will write number 2 right here and name all of the animals in the story and how many are there. So that will be 2, that will be 3. How is a cactus different from a rose? Oh, that's an interesting question. Now, you know how cactus look like. You know how rose looks like. So, how are they different? Tell me about that one. That will be number 5. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Oh, this will be number 4. Next, number 5. Why don't the animals want to stop? Now, here's a hint. Maybe look at the title. Why don't the animals want to stop? Next question. Did the story have a happy or sad ending? And because why? So I think the story had a happy ending because, tell me why. I think the story had a sad ending because, tell me why. Okay? Next, what adventures could the animals have next? Now this is going to be a paragraph writing. Paragraph is writing more than 3 sentences. Are you ready for this one? What adventures could the animals have next? We're going to make this up. Now, since you are going to plan what happens next, here are the animals that you can use or place. It takes place in a desert, close to the dune. And in the story, you see snake, lizard, sand cat, falcon, fox, gazelle, and camel. So you will use those animals to come up with the story plan. So you will need to tell me 6 different parts of the story. So what would happen in the end? Because the story really does not tell you what happened in the end, right? So you can either, no. You should write 1 and maybe draw 1. So tell me 3 parts. Plan 3 adventures. What do they do next? And then draw. What do they do next after that? Then draw. What do they do next? And then draw. So when you look at the PowerPoint, look at this. So many options you can use. First, remember to use capital letter, finger space, and full stop when you're writing a sentence. So, sequencing words. You will write on your first story plan. First, the animals decide to have an excretion party. Next, the animal decide to jump into the pool. Second after that, or you could use then, or later, or at last. Or you could even say finally. The animals went home. That could be the easy, simple story. But please use your creativity and make it funny. So these are all the words that can help you write. Try to use these and try to use some colors. Try to use some wow words and the animal's name, of course. And some connecting words. Okay? Next. English. Can I answer questions based on a text? So, we will check your answers next week. If you don't have your workbook, it is okay. You can write it on a paper. So first, do you remember the too hot to stop story? If you don't, you can always look back on the PowerPoint. And then you need to complete the workbook pages. Page 63. Draw the lines to join pairs of rhyming words. So sun, rhymes with begun, same ending word, okay? So you should finish that. If you don't have your workbook, write it on a paper. Thank you. Next, animal's name, hoppit. And what is this animal? This is a lizard. Now you will finish the rest on your own. If you don't have your workbook, again, write it on a paper. Next, it says, look at the picture. Use words from the box to complete the sentences. The sandcat is sitting. Remember in the story, sandcat was sitting by the cactus. Since there's no word by, you can use next to. The sandcat is sitting next to. Cross that off and then finish the rest. Okay? Alright, next you are going to connect these words with this word, these words with these words. So, and you will make a sentence. So let's try one together. There are a few plants, stones, trees, shade, rain, water, animals. Which one should we use? I would like to use stones. So there are a few stones. Where? In the desert. So there are how many? Few stones. Where? In the desert. One sentence. Starts with the capital, ends with the full stop. There are a few stones in the desert. Okay? And now these are your question words. What you would do with these question words are to ask a question to a hobbit. So, here are your help sentences. So, where are you from? What do you like to eat? Why do you live in the desert? You can ask hobbit that. And you must finish these questions. Ask different questions. Don't use Miss Carolyn's question. Make your own. Next, you need to watch this video about rally car racing. And you will do the same thing about these 5 question words. You will ask the rally car driver this question. Where are you from? Where do you live? Where can I find you? Anything you want to ask. Use these 5 question words, okay? Watch the video first though. Next, these are your new words, vocabulary words. Crew, engine, route, co-driver, helmet, rules. We will go over these words again at school next week. So, meanwhile, what you need to do is make a flashcard. Write the word, vocabulary word, helmet, and draw the helmet. Do that to all 6 words, okay? and I will see you at school. Bye.